Alright, welcome today to Flip My Cycle. Today we'll be doing a 2022 Hayabusa full system exhaust. We'll be changing out these two big old stock exhausts for the new full system Brock's Perfomance exhaust. Today we're gonna give y'all a little sound of what a stock Hayabusa 2022 sounds like. Now stay tuned for more. Back with the 2022 Hayabusa, we got the Pentacarbon Brock's full system exhaust installed. We have the O2 sensor installed. We also have every little nook and cranny that you see here cleaned up in perfection, done just how the customer would like it. We're back with the 2022 Hayabusa. We got the Pentacarbon exhaust installed, Brock's full exhaust. I'm gonna give y'all a sound. Come down, check us out. If you have a 2022 Hayabusa here at Flip My Cycle, we are more than happy to get you squared away with our full system exhaust. Check us out.